Okay. So have you ever heard about statistics? Can anyone tell me? What do you
Statist-
understand? Yes.
Statistics can be said to be data collection.
Yes, yes, yes. Good, good, good. Very good. It is data. Okay, statistics is whenever the word statistics comes into a picture, the first word which clicks our mind is data. Okay, the data that is nothing but it is the information. Okay, it is the information. Now, any other answers? What we will be doing with this information? In statistics, what we will be doing with this information?
For an analytical purposes.
We will,
Yeah, I say for analytical purposes to so you can draw
yes.
inference if it warrants in prediction and all of that.
Yes, correct. Okay,
Eh,
we analyze it, we present it, we come to the conclusion, we give the predictions of the data, right? Now, all of you try to understand this. So it is a science which deals with collection of data. Statistics is a science which deals with collection of data. After collecting the data, it is presented, the presentation of data, okay? Then we analyze the data, analysis, and we interpret, interpretation. Okay, so statistics is a science which deals with collection of data, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data. Is this clear? This is the definition of statistics. Okay, can you please repeat it? Statistics is a science which deals with collection of data. Second is
Presentation.
presentation of data. Very good. Third,
Analysis.
analysis. Very good. And fourth,
Interpretation.
interpretation. Very good. I was waiting that elder will answer. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. So all of you understood what is the definition of statistics. This is what we are going to do. Nothing else in this. Okay. Now, first thing is collection of data. Now, the data can be collected in two ways. Okay. One is called as primary data and the another is called as secondary data. Okay. Primary data and secondary data. What is data? Data is some information. Now, for example, I want to know that in my colony, say suppose the place where I stay, nearby my place in the area where I stay, I want to know how many students are studying 12th science. I want to know how many students are there who are studying 12th science. So how we can collect this information? Can you tell me? Can anyone tell me? Okay, try to understand my question. I'll repeat it once again. The area where I stay, okay, the area where I stay, I want to know how many children are there or how many students are there who are studying 12th science. So how will I come to know?
You can inquire
Correct.
from schools. Yeah. From
Yes,
schools around that area.
perfect. Yes. Okay. You can go to the school and collect the information,
I
right? The
can do
nearby school.
interviews also.
Yes, correct. Very correct. We can conduct an interview. We can go house to house and find out, right? Very true. Okay. Now here, if you are going to school, now try to understand. If you are going to school and collecting the information, okay. So in this school, already the records are there. So I'm not meeting the students. Okay. One person went to school and he met the students. directly, and he is asking, do you stay in this area? Do you stay in this area? Okay, so directly from the student, this person, this is the first person and this is the second person. So second person directly he is in touch with students and he is asking the students. So the first hand information, if and we are collecting the first hand information, then that comes under primary data. And if the person, the first person, he is going and checking the school record address, from the school record address, he is collecting the information. So what happens? So this becomes your secondary data. That is from already existing sources, he is collecting the information. Existing sources, he is collecting the information. And primary data is the first hand information. Is this clear? So whenever we want to collect the information, there are two ways. Either we can collect the information that is primary data or the secondary data. But usually in research, what they do, we go for primary data. We collect it, the first hand information, and then we work out, do the calculations. Okay. Now, second is what? First is collection of data we have done. There are two types of data collections. What are they? What are
Primary.
they?
And
Correct.
secondary.
Yes. Primary and secondary. Any doubt in this primary and secondary? Understood what is primary and what is secondary?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Then comes your presentation. Now, after collecting the data, I need to present it. Now, how will I present this? We will be presenting this either in the form of tables or in the form of diagrams or in the form of graphs. Okay. So tables, I think you have seen the statistical table in this form. So if I say their boys are there, girls are there, okay, and there are 20 and 30. What does this table indicate? That is, there are 20 boys and there are 30 girls. So whatever the data information which we have collected, we can put it in a table format. We can draw the diagrams, we can draw the graphs, and so on. Then comes your analysis. Okay. Analysis are of many types. We will be seeing that. Then comes your interpretation. Interpretation is nothing but your final conclusion. Conclusion about what? Conclusion of the data. Now, this analysis, there are many types of analysis. Exactly what work which we are doing, accordingly we analyze. So we are going to see in your syllabus what are the different types of analysis we can do. Descriptive statistics is one type of analysis. Inferential is another type of analysis. Linear algebra, distribution, probability basics is with this distribution. So all this comes under your analysis. So our contents will teach you as a data science students how to analyze the given information, how to analyze the data. Is this clear? What exactly we are going to learn?
Yep.
Yes?
All clear.
Okay, thank you. Then, moving ahead to descriptive statistics. The first one, see, we have two types mainly. One is descriptive statistics, and another we call it as inferential statistics. Inferential statistics. Okay. Now, here descriptive statistics, we deal with Mainly three measures of central tendency, measures of central tendency. Then we deal with measures of dispersion. All these are measures to analyze the given data. Okay. Measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion. Then we correlation. Okay. And we deal with regression. All these topics. Okay. And under inferential, we have all testing. We will be seeing inferential also. Okay. Under descriptive statistics, we will be seeing these types: measures of central tendency, dispersion, correlation, and regression. Okay. Now, descriptive statistics, under descriptive, it organizes the summaries data. It is a kind of quantitative research. See, quality, if I say descriptive statistics cannot be applied for quality. If I say how many people are there in my office who are good, can we answer this question? Can we take an interview for this and ask the people, are you good? Yes. Can we?
Well, you can. I don't know if it's going to be truthful.
Okay. Okay. From our side, we can. But do you think the responses will be correct?
No.
No, nobody wants to tell that I'm bad, right? Oh, yes. What? Jason?
That information won't be reliable.
Yes. Okay. So what happens is, and this quality, if you get the information also, the statistics cannot deal with any quality. This quality has to be converted to quantity. Then we can apply and do the analysis. So that's why it is a kind of quantitative research. Okay. The data can be observations or it can be responses. The data which you can. Yes, Leon, you want to ask something?
No, I'm good.
Good, good. Okay, fine. All of you, hope you are able to understand. Till here, all good?
Yes. Continue.
So far, so good.
Okay, fine. Okay. Then, okay, as I already explained you, it helps us to look to the data more closely as we analyze with the data. It helps us to know the relationships. It helps us to find the what will happen in future. If today is this value, what will be the past? What was the past value? What will be the future value? All these questions can be answered making use of descriptive statistics. And inferential allows us to test the hypothesis. Okay, this we will be doing it in our fourth session.